Hey guys, Sinister the Drone Network coming at you. And I have another episode of What's in the Package. This comes to you from Ed, Love My Drones. Please check his channel out and subscribe if you have not done so. And I will leave a link to his channel in the comments down below. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this package here. I'm just going to go ahead and tear it open here. Alright, let's see what's in here. Make sure there's nothing in here. Sorry about that. Alright. As you can see, it says Runcam down in there. And look at that. It is a Runcam lens. Now I have got two Runcams Swift 2s. So can't get this out of the box one-handed too well. There we go. I'm not sure the size on this lens, so let me go ahead and peel the cover off here. Alright. Runcam. And it is a 1/3 2.3 millimeter lens. Very cool. So now I have a second lens for my second GoPro. And there's also another lens down in here if I can get it out of here. Trying to do this one-handed stinks. Maybe one of these days I'll get myself a hat cam or something. Nice to have goals. Baby steps. This is just the ring. Okay, I see what this is. It's the ring that goes on the bottom of that deal here. So yeah. Thank you, Ed. Huge shout out to Mr. Love My Drones. Ed, thank you for the lens. Now I have two functional Runcams. How exciting. So, been collecting parts. I've got some things coming up here. I just started a new job, so I haven't been really too active. The new job's kicking my butt here because my hours have changed. It's a lot of 3:30 in the morning getting up and going to work, and man, it's been hard adjusting to the sleep schedule. So, but yeah, what's coming up on the channel? I'm going to have a build going soon. I'll be flying Project Old School, which is the 6-inch LHI 250. So I've already got the orange Runcam on that one. I'm saving the gray Rotor Riot Runcam that I got from Chuck It FPV. Saving that for my very first build, which is going to be my 5-inch build. So stay tuned. Thanks for checking in. Everybody have a wonderful weekend.